Before we dive in, I just want to say a quick thank you to everyone supporting the channel. If you are into honest, long-term tech reviews and gaming gear content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You're watching Tech Wired, and today we are taking a U-turn towards the mouse I've been using every single day for the past 2 years. The Razer deathadder V2 Hyperspeed. Like I said, it's a mouse, not a spaceship. Is it still worth in 2025? So, why did I choose deathadder V2 Hyperspeed in the first place? Honestly, it came down to 3 things: ergonomics, wireless freedom, and brand trust. I wanted something that would work well in both gaming and productivity, without all the cable clutter. The deathadder series has been around forever. It's one of the Razer's most iconic mouse lines, and for good reason. The V2 Hyperspeeds bring the same trusted shape and feel of the original, but with wireless connectivity and modern tech. And after 2 years of daily use, from gaming to editing videos, this thing has barely skipped a beat. Let's talk design. The deathadder V2 Hyperspeed feels premium yet lightweight. It weighs just around 88 grams, which is perfect, light enough for quick movements but still solid in hand. The matte black finish hasn't faded, and the textured grip in both sides still holding up great after 2 years. No peeling, no weird stickiness. I've used this mouse in both cool and sweaty seasons, and the surface still feels nice to touch. The iconic ergonomic shape fits perfectly for palm grip users like me, but it works well with the claw grip too. It's designed to minimize fatigue during long hours, and it really does. Whether I'm editing a YouTube video or grinding late night game sessions, my hand doesn't feel stressed. One of the most impressive things about the deathadder V2 Hyperspeed is the battery life. Razer claims up to 235 hours of use in a single AA battery in Bluetooth mode and up to 100 hours in Hyperspeed wireless mode. And I can confirm that it's not just marketing fluff. In real world use, I swap batteries maybe once every 2 to 3 months, and I'm using it almost daily, and I barely switch it off. If you're going for truly wireless desk setup, this is kind of longevity you want. The wireless connection via 2.4 GHz Hyperspeed dongle is flawless. I've had zero noticeable lag even in fast-paced FPS games like Call of Duty or Valorant. If you want to switch to Bluetooth for productivity use or secondary device, it's seamless. Let's talk gaming, because let's face it, that's where the deathadder earns its name. The mouse is equipped with Razer Focus Plus optical sensor, capable of up to 20,000 dpi. Do I game at 20,000 dpi? No, but having that kind of precision means you get smooth pixel perfect tracking even at lower settings. Whether it's flicker shot in Apex Legends or steady tracking in Cyberpunk 2077, it just performs. The Razer mechanical mouse switches Gen 2 are tactile, fast, and after 2 years, I haven't had a single misclick or double click issue, something that plagued a lot of other mice in the long term. Also, the side buttons are clicky and well placed. I use them for quick reloads or even switching camera angles when editing. That kind of functional versatility matters when you're gaming and working on the same machine. Now, Razer Synapse gets a lot of hate in the community, but for me, it has been mostly solid. I have used it a couple of times to adjust the DPI settings. The deathadder V2 Hyperspeed is Synapse compatible, but beauty is you don't really need it. There's an onboard memory, so once you configure it, you can carry your profile across the devices. Perfect is for switching between PC and work laptop. Let's talk long-term wear and tear. After 2 years, this mouse still glides buttery smooth thanks to its 100% PTFE feet. I use it with basic gaming mat, and the glide stays consistent. The scroll wheel still feels firm, no rubber wobble, and the clicks are snappy as day one. I dropped it a couple of times too, still works like nothing happens. So in terms of durability, 9 out of 10. If you take basic care, this thing can last a long time. Now, it's 2025 and you are wondering, should you still buy this? The answer is yes, if you want a reliable ergonomic wireless gaming mouse without spending a ton of money. I think it is worth it. There are newer mice with more features or RGB flair, but the deathadder V2 hits that sweet spot. If you are building a clean wireless setup or just want a mouse that can handle work and play, I think this can be considered. Let me know what wireless mouse you are using right now, or if you are planning to upgrade. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and as always, I read them all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay wired in with latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.